Hello everyone, it's Gigi. I hope everyone had an amazing weekend. I have a little bit of this and a little bit of that to share. So first I want to share some happy mail that I received. I received a lovely happy mail from Sybil B here on YouTube. Hi Sybil. And she sent me this amazing card, guys. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much, Sybil. I will treasure it, and thank you so much for your kind words. And then she also sent me some stickers, some puffy stickers. And I love using these. So thank you so much for those, hun. Look at the bee, guys, and the strawberry. Yay. Thank you. And then I also received a happy mail from Jill, who is Jill May's Creations. She used to be Love My Two Pugs 1. And she sent me this amazing card right here. It says, somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue, and the dreams you dare to dream really do come true. I absolutely loved it. I love what she wrote me. And she sent me this little thing inside that says, be happy, pop open here. And I absolutely love what this says, so I had to share it. It said, begin doing what you want to do now. We have only this moment, sparkling like a star in our hand and melting like a snowflake. And I'm not sure how to pronounce her name, but I thought that was beautiful. And it is true. So true. Start doing what you want to do now. Thank you, Jill. I'll treasure this. Okay, now on to my haul. We're gonna start with the Dollar Tree. Oh my gosh, so I went to go find some fall stuff, and the fall stuff is almost gone. I was like, wow. And this was my first time going to look for fall stuff. So I'm hoping they restock. I found this truck ribbon. I thought it was so cute. They only had one left, so I snagged it, but I thought it was so cute with the gold trim. I don't have that in my stash. And then I found some of these acorns, and I'm gonna crackle them, I think. These, and I found the maple leaves, and I think if I crackle them, I think they're gonna be so pretty. I was looking for the foxes. I only found one, and I found them for somebody, so I was bummed, but it's okay. Maybe I'll still find them out there. Then I found this, in All Things Give Thanks, and it stands, and it is so cute. Looks like a mason jar, or a jar of some kind. I thought that was so pretty. So I got that. Then I had found, you guys know how I love socks, and they had polo. And not only that, these socks are sloths. And those of you that watch me on a regular know that I'm going on a cruise, and we are gonna be holding a sloth. So I got me a pair, and I'm gonna surprise my sister with a pair, and they're little fuzzies. If you see them, aren't those so cute? So my sister's gonna be surprised about those. And then I found these cute little sunflowers, and I love sunflowers in the fall. So pretty. And I looked up and I found 2 of these stickers. And they're so pretty. Really pretty. So if you can find them, grab them. Then I found some fabric. I had went to 4 stores, guys. And yeah, like I said, they were wiped. I found this sunflower fabric. Let's go ahead and open it. Let me get my scissors. so we can see what it really looks like. Let's see if I don't cut the fabric. Sorry, I wasn't planning on actually opening it, but why not? Oh, look how pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I love them. I should have got extras. Okay, and then I found this one. Let me show you. Let me cut it first so we can look at it. I found these leaves. Cute, right? And then if you do the edge, like with some vintage photo when you put it on your card or whatever design you make it into. Cute. And then I was so excited about this one. Besides the sunflower was really made me happy. I found these trucks. Look how pretty. Gorgeous. You can make a card just with that and put a sentiment on it. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Okay, and then I found one of these, and it's ceramic. I thought it was so pretty. Very pretty pumpkin. And then I found a G. Guys, I was going through them, I couldn't find any. And then I looked on this next rack and it had just like 5, and then there was one in the very back, and this was the bottom shelf, and there was a G, so it was definitely meant to be. And then I got one for my hubby, and I got a J. So it's on his desk already, and I had to show you it. These are so cute with the initial. So, so cute. So that's all I found at the Dollar Tree. I mean, like I said, it was wiped. Then we went to our grocery store yesterday, and while we were there, I picked up a lighter for my craft room for my candles and for my wax melts. So I loved that it was rose gold. So I grabbed that. And then I also grabbed, I like to keep some of the stuff that I find or print out, I should say, in these sheet protectors. I was trying to think, I couldn't figure out what I was trying to spit out. But I got this Avery 25-pack sheet protectors. So these are the nice ones. They hold up better. Then I had went into Target, and I really didn't find anything, but I went there for one main reason. I needed some highlighters for my Bible, my study Bible. And guys, I already checked them out because I wanted to make sure they didn't bleed through to the other page, and these don't. And the cool thing about these are they highlight and they erase. Excuse me, I had to get something to drink. So that's really cool, and they're pretty colors, pretty pastels. You get 5, and I think they were like $5. So $1 a pen's not bad. So that was all that I got at Target. Then yesterday I went to JoAnn. They had these for 50 cents, and I thought they were so cute, and I thought I could be able to use them on something. So I found this little cow and this little chicken. Isn't that funny? They're so cute. So I just got one of each. I figured I could use them for something. And I needed some more of these, and they had them 40% off. These little 3x3s. You get 12 in each pack. And I'm going to be doing a project, so I needed these. I was also looking for a paint pen. They only had one of these left, and it was this one, kind of pricey, but I had a 40% off coupon, and I had rewards. So I used it, and it's not exactly what I want, but when you go over it more than once, it works. But I'm still going to look for what I'm trying to find, I guess. I'm looking, I don't know. This one's opaque, and maybe that's why. I need it just to be white. So if anybody has any suggestions, I'd appreciate it. If you email me and maybe had a picture. Then I found these cute little bells. So I found these really tiny ones. They only had one left. So I grabbed that one, and they only had one left of this one. And I believe they were on sale. Maybe that's why they were gone. But I was like, if I don't grab them now, they're gonna be gone the next time still probably. I'm not taking a chance, so I grabbed them. It's so pretty, this cranberry color, and then these really tiny ones are gonna be so cute on tags, both of them. So love those. And then I got me some baby rickrack. I got it in green. I got it in red. And it was hard looking because most of them were sold out of colors of the baby rickrack. And then I got it in gold, metallic gold. So really cute. Love it. They weren't on sale. Then I picked up a magazine because I'm obsessed with them. I got this Crafts Beautiful one. Let's see, it says July 2021 issue. And it shows this month it's going to be bees. So I'm going to have to go find it. So you get these stamp set. And let me open it. Sorry about the noise. It's the only way I can get it out. Can I get it out? Okay. So you get an embossing folder up top, and then you get all of these stamps. So it says beautiful, congratulations, love, best wishes, fabulous, and happy birthday. Cute. I love it. I love the feathers. Really pretty. And then you get the magazine, and this one is a thick magazine. So it came with a lot of information and card shares and ideas. So that's that one. And then the last thing I got from JoAnn was one of these Art Bin Super Satchels. I got it in pink. They had them for $9.99, regular $19.99. So I grabbed one of those, and this was the last one they had in the pink. Okay, let's see what I want to share next. Peachy Keen. So because of Jill Norwood, hi Jill. She got them to come out of retirement briefly for 2 stamp sets, and so I grabbed them because I only have one set, and the set I have goes with the I think they're called Fashionista, and I use them for my dolls, the Julie Nuttigan dolls. So I got this set here, which is called Spa Girls, and then I got this set here called Funshine. And I've already made some projects with this, and it was all because of Jill that I got this. They're so cute. I'll show them in a different video what I made. Okay, so, and those are, they look like this on the back, in case you didn't know. So cute though. Love them. Thank you for doing that, Jill. That's awesome. And then I received an order. From Jaded Blossom.